Hello! Let's learn some colors. Dark green color, violet color, purple color, red color, orange color, black color, pink color, light green color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, dark blue color. Today we will learn some alphabets and numbers. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for cherry. D for dragon. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for toy. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yum. Z for zoo. Let's count the numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's try to draw some 2D and 3D shapes. Parallelogram. Cube. Triangle. Cylinder. Heart. Rectangle. Let's learn some colors. Red color, blue color, green color, orange color, violet color, yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, dark blue color, dark blue color, parallelogram. Dark blue color, light blue color, cube, brown color, triangle, purple color, cylinder, pink color, violet color, heart, heart, dark green color, rectangle, parallelogram, cube, triangle, cylinder, heart, rectangle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.